among you can live without internet?
For 1 week.
Without internet?
Without internet.
Who among you read news on the internet? Well, um, you're using Facebook, Twitter, or Tumblr, right? In the Facebook or Twitter or Tumblr, you you read news about something or you get news from it. One advantage of the internet news is that it is easy and accessible. You don't need to go to any store to buy newspapers, and you can easily sit down on your desk and open your laptop, and then you can go search for the search for the news.
I don't.
Another one
I
is
memorized.
in the internet. It has more colored photographs than the newspaper. The readers can easily understand what what image is it, unlike in the newspaper, it has a black and white. In the internet news, you can you can easily search for the past events, unlike in the newspaper, you need to keep the old one so you can be able to search for the old events. In the internet, it is always updated. You can, for example, today there is a typhoon going over the other countries. You can know what is happening. Unlike in the newspaper, it will be published today and then it will be given to you tomorrow. Uh, you know that I am not in the side of newspaper because in the newspaper they use papers, right? They cut trees and it will affect the environment. In the newspaper they use machine, inks, and electronics. It is priced as what the internet use. Uh, it is not that so eco-friendly unlike the internet. You can you can you can just accommodate the electric bills, and then in the newspaper they in the
Vlog.
when the old ones are not that used, they burn it and then it can affect the environment. So I don't like using newspaper.
Hi, good afternoon, guys. So may I ask you, can you bring your laptop or anything that uses internet in trains, in CRs, in everywhere that you want to go? No. Yes? Who said yes?
Laptop?
But newspaper, can you bring it somewhere, anywhere you want?
Newspaper can also be
Very
used as
convenient.
tissue.
Very handy. You can bring it anywhere. Okay, let me tell you a story. When I was in Hong Kong last week, I keep on riding trains. Every day I keep riding trains. And I see most 75% of the people in the train is reading newspaper. Why do you think so? Why do they prefer to read newspapers than bringing their laptops, iPads, cell phones? Why? Simply because we cannot find internet everywhere. When you go to a place where, like mountains, we can find Wi-Fi, internet. You can bring your newspaper with you. You can even read it anywhere, even if you are in the restroom, you're doing something. You can even read your newspaper. Something. Lot of things. So, newspaper doesn't need electricity when you read. Yes, it's with machine and something. But you see, you can use newspaper everywhere, right? And also, in internet. So, who says here that internet gives factual information? Everything in the internet is factual. Everything. Who says? Please raise your hand. What's that? Who says here that everything in the internet is factual? Is it everything? No, right? But in the newspaper, it goes over processes. It will be checked by the editor. It will be everything is over processes. But in internet, there are a lot of talented talented bloggers that could just easily enter something in the news in the internet, and when you read it, you believe it. But it's not factual at all. It's just their own opinion. Yes, in the newspaper there is an opinion, but still, it is based on facts. Okay. And then, so why will you open your computer, search for something that, because you can just easily, when you know that when you go out of your house, there's newspaper on the door. So why do you have to open the computer? So, um, so as students, we need factual information, and in internet, you have to search for something, right? Before you know about a topic, you should know what you're going to do, what you're going to search. Example, you're going to read about Whitney Houston. What if you don't know that Whitney Houston is dead? So you don't know it. You don't know how to search it. But in newspaper, when you open it, there's a topic. You don't have to look for it. So that's it. You um, newspaper gives the information that you didn't know. But in internet, you have to know it first to know further more. So that's it. That's my side for newspaper. Okay. Okay, we're pretty good for the